about 100 kilometers from Riyadh, and we're in the middle somewhere, and it looks like a sandstorm is coming.
Yeah, the mid Sandstorm.
We are in the middle.
High the sun now,
Uh-huh.
and coming from north. Looks like heavy.
Wow. So a sandstorm is coming, as I said, and as my brother said.
And
So,
this is Filipino hotel.
so that,
And it's find it in the supermarket.
so we find this in the supermarket. This is actually production of Philippines. The production of Philippines. And here, they
So
produce...
the guy like it, and he eats two now, huh?
And it's actually, potatoes are manufactured here, right?
Grow here.
Potatoes do grow here, so it's really strange. Maybe it's just because...
You know there is one Filipino guy who will come from the big.
So, yeah. And this is not fake. This is actually real. See? And it is from Philippines. Wow. So here's a truck, 56. 56 truck. It's trying to climb the dunes. So yeah. So we'll come back to you after something happens.